Today, I want to share with you 3 reasons why I love Vera beet juice and why you should consider adding it to your daily routine. For starters, it's incredibly nutritious. Beet juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which will help boost your immune system, promote overall digestion, and also promote your well-being. Secondly, it provides a huge natural energy boost. Since beet juice is high in nitrates, it increases the circulation and oxygen going to both your muscles and your brain, making it effective as a natural pre-workout or just a really great way to start off your mornings. And finally, the taste. Beet juice has a really unique, clean, and refreshing taste that's unique to beetroots, and Vera specifically has won the Chef Best Award because they use beets that are grown in the best beet growing region in the world. So if you're looking for a juice to add to your diet that's nutrient rich, gives you a natural energy boost, and tastes amazing, pick up this beet juice by Vera for yourself today, and you're going to be set.